In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check Steam Points history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to see your Steam Points activity, including how many points you've earned and how many you've spent. First, open Steam. You should see the main Steam window with the Store, Library, and Community tabs across the top. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner and click your profile name. It's the username you're signed in with. This opens your account menu. From here, select Points Shop. Click it once to open the Steam Points Shop in the main window. You'll be taken to the area where you can spend Steam points on profile items, backgrounds, and awards. Now, look for points history. On the Points Shop page, you'll see navigation links. Click Points. History to open your full Steam Points activity log. At this point, that your Steam Points history is on screen, you can view earned and spent points in one place. The page shows a running list of transactions organized by date. Each line explains what happened and how many points were added or removed. Earned points come from eligible purchases on Steam, while spent points appear when you use points in the Points Shop or give awards. Take a moment to scan the list. On the left, you'll see the item or action, such as a game purchase or a specific profile item. On the right, you'll see the points amount for that entry. Positive amounts indicate points you earned. Negative amounts indicate points you spent. If you see a total or current balance displayed near the top, that's your available Steam points right now. If your list is long, scroll down to review older entries. Yeah, the history keeps a chronological record so you can trace exactly when points were earned and where they were used. This is helpful for confirming recent purchases awarded the correct number of points, or for verifying how many points you spent on a background, avatar frame, or an award you gave. As you review, remember this page is specific to Steam points. It won't show your wallet funds or refunds in currency. It focuses only on the Steam points you've earned from purchases and the points you've redeemed. If something doesn't look right, double check the dates and amounts in the list. Purchases usually grant points after the transaction completes. Points you spend appear immediately when you confirm a Points Shop item or send an award. Scrolling through a few days before and after a purchase can help you find the matching entry. You don't need to change any settings on this page. It's a read-only history, so nothing you click here will delete or modify your points. Feel free to scroll and review without worry. Once you're done, you can stay in the Points Shop to continue browsing items, or simply close the window. If you only needed to verify your Steam points history, the next time you need to check, just repeat these same clicks. Open Steam, click your profile name, go to Points Shop, and open Points History. That's all you need to check your Steam points history. You've located the official Steam points history page and confirmed your earned and spent points are visible and up to date. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.